everyone. In this video, Introduction to SonarQube tutorial, first we'll learn about what is SonarQube. SonarQube, previously it was called as Sonar. It is an open source platform built by SonarSource for continuous code quality inspection. And it is a static code analysis tool to find defects, code smells and security vulnerabilities in code. Initially, it is developed only for Java languages. Now, it will support more than 20 programming languages like C#, Python, PHP, Android, PLSQL and many more. And also, duplicated code, coding standards and unit test, code coverage, code complexity, comments, bugs are all covered by SonarQube reports. Next, we'll learn why we need SonarQube. For example, in company, developers, test engineers will be working on project to provide required functionality to customer under time constraints. Sometimes it is so essential to developers that they frequently compromise code quality, errors, code duplications and poor complexity distribution, and also they will leave unused variables. Still, code will work in desired way. But it is not a good practice to deliver functionality to customer. So developer should constantly use proper coding technique to avoid these issues in code. In order to achieve this continuous code integration and deployment, developers need a tool that will continuously check code and tell problems in that code and also track the continuous code quality. So all these requirements are satisfied in the SonarQube tool. So these are the reasons to use SonarQube tool. Next, we'll discuss for whom SonarQube is useful. For developers, to check written code is good or how it can be improved. For test engineers, to check which part of code contains defects and many more. And for architects, to check about design complexity. And for managers, SonarQube helps to check code quality measurement and reports. Then finally, we'll discuss the advantages of SonarQube. SonarQube is a quality management tool. Here, it will analyze the code and it will generate the report and it provides coverage. And also it is simple to integrate with IDE. In SonarQube, we can apply our own coding standards to make our code more standardized. Next, through coverage data from test scripts, it gives coverage information on a line-by-line basis, indicating which conditions are covered and which are not. And also SonarQube improves the software maintainability and it is also capable of adapting to changes. In last, it will reduce the time takes to review the code. So this is all about introduction to SonarQube. And also we have explained how to install SonarQube on Windows 10. You can watch by clicking above card or link which is mentioned in description box.